Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome back in the next video on problems based on functions. So in this video, we are going to solve the 7th numerical which is based on functions. So without wasting any time, let us start. If f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x cos x plus x square sin x, show that f of x plus f of minus x is equal to 0. So let us directly start with the LHS. So we have LHS f of x plus f of minus x. What is f of x? X cube minus 5x cos x plus x square sin x. Plus, how to find f of minus x? In the same function f of x, we'll substitute x as minus x. So this will become minus x the whole cube minus 5 into minus x into cos of minus x plus x square, that will be minus x the whole square into sine of minus x. Now x cube minus 5x cos x plus x square sin x plus negative having odd power will give you negative answer. So minus x the whole cube is minus x cube. Minus 5 into minus x is plus 5x and cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta plus minus x the whole square. Negative term having even power will give you positive answer. So minus x square will give you plus x square, but sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So sine of minus x will give you minus sine x. Let us solve this further. This will give you x cube minus 5x cos x plus x square sin x plus into minus will give you minus x cube plus 5x cos x, and again plus into minus will give you minus x square sin x. So let us see, is there any term which is going to be cancelled? So x cube minus x cube, yes, it will cancel each other. Minus 5x cos x plus 5x cos x, again they will cancel because they are same number with opposite signs. X square sin x minus x square sin x, again they will cancel each other. So each term is cancelled. So the remaining part will be 0. And what is 0? The one which is in the RHS. So here it is proved. I hope you have understood this video. Similar sums we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.